Today we're going to take one of our patterns that we've been using and place it within another pattern. So here you see I've screenshotted this treble clef using Windows Shift S, and I've used trace image. And now I'm going to do the same thing with this kowhaiwhai that I've found. I'm going to come to edit and I'm going to go trace image. And then I'm going to delete the old image, remove the fill and add in some stroke. Now here's the fun bit. I'm going to come in here, make it really nice and small, and I'm going to use tile repeat. Change the displacement here just to make sure it has a really nice cool little tiling. I'm going to get this and I'm going to come in and I'm going to make it cover the treble clef here. Here is where I found out it didn't trace well, so I'm just going to get in there and tidy that up, and come back and change the number of tilings there using the repetitions 1 and repetitions 2 to make sure that it covers the treble clef completely. At this point I decided that I wanted to make the kowhaiwhai a little bit smaller, and so I adjusted the size and I went back into that tile repeat and adjusted the settings there to make sure that I have good coverage of my larger logo or symbol, the treble clef. I deleted its fill and of course used its outline stroke. At this point I decided that I wanted to get rid of this little line in between each of my kowhaiwhai, and so I selected it and used Boolean union or weld, and that's going to take each of those pieces and actually fuse them together. Now, I found that they weren't quite touching, so I just got into my tile repeat and reduced down that distance, and you can see they're now fused, welded together. It's looking pretty good so far. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and use Boolean intersect, and look at that. It's now only going to use my kowhaiwhai pattern where it overlaps with my treble clef. Wanted my treble clef to be a bit bigger, so I used modify expand on it, and then I still wanted to keep my outline, so I copied it and pasted it and brought it outside that intersect group. It's looking pretty good so far. So now I just need to change the colours to make the outline of my treble clef red to be cut out and my kowhaiwhai pattern to be blue to be scored. Then I head in, I export as an SVG, I make it named something sensible, download it, and then it's ready to upload to the Google Drive.